Yeah, I know what the fuck going on.
What's the deal, buddy?
Nah, shit, nah, shit.
Dirty, girl.
Yeah, I see the Z out. When you ever see this, y'all don't never see this fully out. Yo.
Oh. How you been?
Chillin'.
You know what I'm saying?
You know it. Hey Kobe, why I had an S650 try to race me earlier? Yeah, 5.0 too. He didn't want to smoke, though. I downshifted. He was like, nah, I'm chilling. I'm like, come on, I'm with it. I love to try me a new Mustang already. But yeah, about to watch the Red Boy quick before we head to the meet. A few more people on the way. So, like I said, we're gonna watch this. We're gonna get this out the way real quick. It's dirty now, but let's get it right. You know. Y'all see he outside. He got the daily out right now though. He got the daily out because you know he got the race car home because he got some shit on the rack. But I got to talk real loud because of copyright. So I got to walk all the way back here. We just see that boy here outside too with the charger. So we out. But I'm gonna keep talking and then we gonna roll out because copyright. Definitely ain't record after me. That was at day 5. I'm sorry. I'm gonna record. I'm a turbo vlogger, but we about to just go to the crib. We about to just chill out. But this might be the end of the vlog. This might not be what it is. Like, comment, subscribe. This was definitely a short one, but it's gonna be the one I got the rollers. We were just cruising, quick little link up. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna say it. So, like, comment, subscribe, share a little bit. And if I got some after this, then it'll be picked up. But if I don't, I'll see y'all in the next video. And peace out. active. Like I said, I got the Z1 plugs in. We're gonna do a little bit of cruising. I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of, you know, nothing crazy. Give y'all a little bit of POV and me rolling. Yeah, a little, my first impression, my first pull. You know, I thought I just started GoPro and I got it back, so we're gonna see. I hope the angle hitting, you know, I hope everything hit for everybody right now, but oh man, that fog is hitting heavy right now. I've been cruising so far, so I'm just chilling. I feel good, it sound good, you know, full bolts on. I got a full bolts on exhaust, Z1 muffler, I got ISR wide pipe, Burt test pipes. I got I think it's what it's called an iGen intake. So I gotta get a new intake, which no, still a good intake. I got the plenum spacers, so quote unquote full bolts on. I just need the throttle body. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little pull. We gonna see how I feel. VQ35DE, nothing crazy, but you know, we just gonna see. I'm gonna wait till I get around this turn or whatever, just because. But let the window down. Y'all gonna hit exhaust. Y'all know how it sounds. It sounds good or whatever the case may be. But yeah, man, like I said, I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna let y'all enjoy it. Crack my windows a little bit. A little first gear. I'm gonna do a second. For sure. I like that. She definitely moved. Oh shit. Yeah, check it out. Check it out. Definitely, I don't know what that noise is, but that's something in the back seat. It just sounds kind of crazy. But my damn tire pressure monitor done fell off the motherfucking loop. But she definitely, you can definitely feel it. I don't know what that is in the back. I could definitely got it. I know y'all can hear it on camera. It sounds like something slapping back there. I'm gonna definitely check it out when I get to the crib. But anyways, you could definitely, I wouldn't say, I mean, I don't know. Me personally, honestly, I don't know if I can feel the difference. Just because, you know, I'm used to, oh, who that be? Just because, I'm not gonna say I'm used to fast cars, but I done been in some fast cars, so, But, from what it is, I can definitely notice the difference. I'm not gonna say I can feel the difference, but I can notice the difference, you know? I don't know if that's the same thing, but I can definitely feel the difference. I can notice the difference, my bad. I can definitely notice the difference. I don't really feel the difference as much, but that was just a little joint. Do another third. Just a little full. I can feel the difference, I guess. I guess. It's definitely getting up in the RPMs a lot quicker, for sure. I don't know what that noise is in the back, and it's killing me. Man, oh man. I'm gonna definitely have to check that out, see what the hell going on back there. I can definitely notice that. That just definitely picks up. For sure. But yeah, man. Just a little something. End of the day. Click. Get back to y'all in the next vid, next reel, next IG, you know, whatever it is I'm always posting. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, keep it cordial, keep it calm, keep it cool. Y'all be safe, man. Y'all already know the deal, yo. I'll catch y'all in the next video. No, I might as well pull over right quick and check it. Why not? See what it is. See if I see anything. Cause I don't know if y'all can hear it. Which I doubt y'all can hear it, but I can hear it. It sounds like something slapping. But look at all that tire though. But at the same time, it's selling something inside the car, you know what I mean? Oh, I know I need new tires though. I don't know. That's what the G looking like right now, man. She looking good. Oh, I definitely gotta change the headlights on it. You know. So I don't get in trouble for that one. Definitely out the Bluetooth too. SP105B. I ride on with the green. The blue kind of hot. The red is nice. Around with the green. But y'all see the G. I'm about to go home, get some rest. Your boy got to be up by 4. Sound good. It definitely feel good. Feels a lot better. Sounds a lot better. I'm not getting that misfire no more. Yeah, man. Next, I gotta get some brakes next. I'm potentially trying to come up with a little deal tomorrow. So we're gonna see what happens. Shit. I'm trying to come up with a little deal for a carbon hood and the carbon trunk. So we're gonna see what happens. My saw marker had fell out. I was moving on the highway. I ain't gonna lie, that joint had came up, so I gotta get another pair. And then these quick release tabs, they didn't really work out for me so well, so I gotta try something else. I'm gonna probably just have to buy a new bumper, because I don't think you can really patch a polyurethane bumper. I'm gonna have to make something work with that or something, I don't know. But I'm gonna figure something out for that. But yeah, man, I'm about to go home, get me some grub, get in the bed. I'm tired. You know, like hard working man or whatever. You know, I'm gonna hit y'all, man. So like I said, like, comment, subscribe, share. You know, do your due diligence. You know, I get the lingo from Tall Guy. You know, I ain't gonna take nobody. You know, I'm gonna give my little shout out to whatever. So, type shit, you know. Yeah, man, I'll catch y'all with the next one. Peace.